Yes, Turkish friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your friend Captain Naresh. Friends, we have been discussing how to remain motivation and get success. Friends, what happens? We miss the opportunity because of our negative thoughts and the motivation which we are about to get, we miss it. And this is very common in many people, most of the persons, and they do not understand why this is happening with them. This human body is made of 5 elements and is under three gunas, three characters: sattvic, the purity; rajasic, a type of a greed; and tamas, a type of negative activities, jealousy. When we are under these three rulers, that is gunas, we generally make mistake in our life, and we do not understand how to overcome all this. This is not a good attitude. Why? Because it is said our soul, which is called as Jivatma, is in a lower energy, and due to this we feel all the negative attitude, and because of this what happens is we lose the opportunity, the motivation for success and happiness, and we are in a sad mood. Well, friends, to begin with, let's pray God Krishna, who has given us the encouragement to upload this video, and to you, He is encouraged to watch and correct your lifestyle. Sachidananda Rupaya Vishuddhapate Adihetave Taptre Vinashaya Sri Krishnai Vayam Namo Namaha Sri Krishnai Vayam Namo Namaha Sri Krishnai Vayam Namo Namaha Sri Krishnai Vayam Namo Namaha. बोल भगवान श्री कृष्ण की जय, श्री नंद के लाला की जय, श्री देव की नंदन श्री कृष्ण की जय, श्री द्वारकाधीश भगवान श्री कृष्ण की जय, बोल देवादिदेव पूर्ण ब्रह्म भगवान श्री कृष्ण की सदा ही जय. जय श्री कृष्ण. Good day to everyone. Friends, our soul, which is called as Jivatma, is disordered by staying in lower energy. The lower energy is that when a person stays I, mine, ours, and with this lower energy we want to meet God, or we want to see the motivation, or we want to be successful, which is not possible, because God is orderly energy, and when we get a right knowledge how to meet God, we wrestle and tuffle to meet God. With that knowledge, due to our lower energy, and find faults with the information and the knowledge given to us, and we do not accept the right knowledge. This is what happens with us. We think I am the great. Say, if I say God Krishna is the only God and there is no other God higher than Him, the entire universe belongs to Him. Okay, you find it out from the epics, from everything. God Krishna is the supreme God. But how to reach Him? The way it is said, okay, I give my entire wishes, my entire thinking, my entire sources to God Krishna. I'll do everything for Him. But to do the same, it becomes difficult because we are in a lower energy of I, mine, and ours. And we do not find that this what knowledge given to us is not correct because we want to correct it very quickly. Today, you see, there were computers which were little slow and they used to take time to change the pages or your apps. But today, people cannot wait, and that is why they just want at the blink of the eye, everything should happen. But since we are disorderly, to correct our energy, it takes a long time. It's not that it's a mechanically anybody can fix the mechanically wires or can tighten some screws and we'll be alright. We have to do it ourselves because this mechanism is of a software. To repair a software, it takes long time. To repair a hardware, it takes a short time. But since we don't have patience to wait and to remove our negativity, we start losing the right knowledge and again enter into the lower energy, thus entering by doing mistake, and we says, God, what sin I have done that I am always getting wrong results out of it. See, some people say, for example, killing animals will equalize the system and it will balance this energies. Whereas it is said, if we stop eating non-veg, then ecology balance will improve. So this is the difference. When we stop eating non-veg, then ecological balance will improve. This is due to our limited knowledge as our souls stays in a lower energy of me, mine and ours. Due to this lower energy, when we enchant mantras or when we do rituals or we do meditation, our mind runs here and there. This is the reason when you meditate, you don't get peace and you are restless and you remember of food sometimes. In a meditation, when you are thinking or you are praying God, sometimes you are thinking of hurts and sometimes you are thinking how to score this best to remain on number one, or how to attract opposite. This is our lower energy which is disturbing us and is keeping us away from motivation of success to lead a happy lifestyle. With this lower energy, one cannot meet God or one cannot be up in a peaceful life. When he is not peaceful, he will not lead a better lifestyle. Because better lifestyle is the peace in you. But what you hunt? We are hunting peace, players, making us peaceful. We go on holidays thinking that we'll go on holidays, we'll become fresh, peaceful. What will happen? You're just trying to change the diet of your mind, divert the mind from your regular activities to a sportsman time, that you are going to go for a holiday, you will do sightseeing, you will be away from work. That means the work you are doing you are not enjoying because you are tired in that regular routine of the work. And once you are in the routine of the work, you feel tired and your mind says, I want to run away from this. That means the interest in that job is lower. So this is because you have not made your mind, you have not practiced such an activity that your mind remains peaceful and he should enjoy in every living. This is the thing of real life. There was one saint, he went to a village and he saw one person working in the field. He went to him and asked for some food and water. And when he gave the food and water, he said, what is your name? He says, Anant. Means player. After taking food, he says, may God bless you with all the opportunities. He says, see, what I have today will not remain tomorrow. So it doesn't make any difference. After a year or so, he went there, he saw, where is Anand? So they told him that he has gone to the next village. And he went to see him in the next village. He was working like an employee and was working very hard in sun. And he said, what happened? He says, nothing, I lost everything. He says, oh, why God has given you this punishment? He should not have done it. It is all wrong on his part. This man said, sir, this will also not remain. After that, saint again went back. And after a few years he came, he asked, where is Anand? So he was in a big, very big bungalow. He was staying with car and all chauffeurs and very nice, royal life he was leading. He was very happy. He went there, had food and blessed him. He says, you are saint, but I see that you are not happy. Your mind is flickering. By seeing my positions, you become happy and sad. Whereas saint should not become happy and sad. And the saint said, actually, I am a duplicate saint. I am not a real saint. I am a hypocrite. I ran away from my duties and became a saint. And I thought I'll find happiness. But when I met you, I found that you are the real saint. In all the circumstances, when you had forms, you were happy. When you lost everything, you were happy. When you have become a millionaire, you are happy again. And he says, I have learnt a lesson from you that only the happiness is the thing which brings the motivation. Rest all is false. So after another 5-6 years he went there. He went to the house. His children were playing. Wife was there. But he was not there. So he asked, where is Anand? They said he has passed away. He says, could I go to his photograph and pray for his soul? They say, yeah. So he went to the photograph and it was written, this will also not be there. So friends, this is a motivation. Whatever we are today, time and everything keeps on changing. You see your body. You don't see your anything else. See your body. From the childhood, how it has changed to your old age. If you are above 60, see how it has changed. How many changes it has taken place. See your mind. When you were a child, what for your mind used to think and be happy? When you became a student of a college, what your mind was thinking? When you went for a job, what your mind was thinking? When you entered the middle age, what your mind was thinking? And the same way you see your body changing. So this is what happens if we are not taught in the beginning how to stay happy, how to be peaceful. We always do incorrect things and disorderly things, and the mantras also we chant disorderly. So when our life is disorderly and is not on the right path, how do you expect a peaceful and happy life? It is just like that. If you teach your child but and put is pout, the whole life that child will say at the time of but or put pout, 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 and will try to correct others. This is what happens with us when we do not follow instructions how to lead a happy lifestyle. Well, friends, you think on this, how the things you can manage and how you can correct your lifestyle. And if you correct your lifestyle, you will get lots of motivation to be happy and to lead better lifestyle. Thank you, friends. I take leave of you. Goodbye. Good day. Jai Shri Krishna.